In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Freshsales to another CRM in just a few minutes. This setup helps keep your customer data synced and your workflow running smoothly. To begin, decide which CRM you want to connect with. For this example, you can think of popular platforms like HubSpot, but the steps are similar for most CRMs. Log in to your chosen CRM and make sure you have your Freshsales domain and API key ready, since these are required to authorize the connection. Once inside your CRM dashboard, head to the Connected Apps or Integrations section. This area is where you manage all third-party connections. From there, open the App Marketplace and search for the Freshsales integration. When you find it, click Install to begin the setup. During the installation, you'll be asked to enter your Freshsales subdomain and API key. You may also see a login or authorization screen that securely confirms access between both systems. Follow the prompts until the connection is approved. After authorization, you'll move on to field mapping. This step is important because it determines how data like contact names, email addresses, company details, and deal information flows between Freshsales and your other CRM. Carefully match the correct fields so everything syncs accurately. Next, choose the sync direction. You can allow data to move one way from Freshsales to the other CRM or enable two-way sync so updates stay aligned on both platforms. You'll also select how often the sync runs, such as real-time or scheduled updates. Once everything looks good, click Save and Sync. The first sync may take a little time depending on how much data you have, but future updates usually happen much faster. And that's it. You've successfully connected Freshsales to another CRM, making your data more organized and your sales process more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick CRM and automation guides.